saving energy in big cities, saving water is crucial too, especially when it comes to the toilet. In fact, that white shiny bowl of yours is one of the most wastable appliances in your home.
Water Matrix was founded in 1989, and our single focus has been reducing water consumption for our customers.
You're probably wondering why I would do a segment on toilets. Well, this little white throne is a water hog, and it's sending our natural resources down the drain. Toilets account for almost 40% of residential indoor water use in the United States alone. They're also a major source of wasted water due to leaks and inefficiency. Unless a replacement has been installed in a home built prior to 1993, each toilet likely uses 3.5 gallons or more for every flush. Luckily, there is an alternative.
One of the most important items in reducing consumption is toilets, because they're such large consumers of water. So reducing water in the toilet itself will save you a lot of money. If you replaced your toilet with a 3-liter toilet, you could save between $100 and $200 on average per year, so it pays for itself very, very quickly.
The Water Matrix Ultra High Efficiency Toilet helps homeowners reduce their water footprint significantly. In fact, you can go from 20 liters per flush to a mere 3 liters. And you can even get a rebate from the City of Toronto. So it's a win-win for you, the environment, and the city too.
It's a big issue on many levels. For the City of Toronto, it allows them to put off the construction of new treatment plants, which saves them money in the meantime. From a global standpoint, just the fact that their water supply is limited. So as the population grows and we have a limited amount of water, we're going to find it increasingly hard to supply that water.
So how does it actually work?
Actually, it's very simple. When the tank fills with water, the water when it rises inside of this capsule, forces the air out of the capsule through an air transfer tube into the trapway of the toilet, pressurizing the trapway. When the toilet is flushed and the water drops inside this capsule, it creates a vacuum which evacuates the waste, draws the waste from the bowl. Like a conventional toilet, when the water leaves the toilet tank, it goes to the rim of the bowl, adds water to the bowl, and that forcing the water into the trapway and then eventually creating a siphon and evacuating the bowl. The reason that this works on a very small amount of water is that it doesn't rely on water being added to the bowl to try and evacuate the waste. It's actually vacuumed out.
Okay, now down to the dirty work. What is Phil going to do next?
This is a product that's been developed to represent waste in a toilet bowl. It's 50-gram packages of miso paste. Fairly realistic looking when it's dropped into the toilet bowl, but it does simulate the practical use of a toilet. I'm going to drop into the toilet between 2 and 3 times what a normal load would be that would be put into a toilet. Okay, there's 500 grams of miso paste. Now I'll flush the toilet.
It's dirty work, that's for sure. But think of this. If every home in the United States replaced just one old toilet with a new ultra-high efficiency one, they would conserve almost 1 trillion, yes, I said trillion, gallons of water per year. That's equal to more than 2 weeks of the water flowing over Niagara Falls.